At noon, darkness came over the whole land until 3 in the afternoon. And at 3 in the afternoon, Jesus cried out in a loud voice,
My God! My God! Why have you forsaken me?
When some of those standing near heard this, they said,
Listen, he's calling Elijah.
Someone ran, filled a sponge with wine vinegar, put it on a staff and offered it to Jesus to drink.
Now leave him alone. Let's see if Elijah comes to take him down.
He said. With a loud cry, Jesus breathed his last. The curtain of the temple was torn in two from top to bottom. And when the centurion who stood there in front of Jesus saw how he died, he said,
Surely this man was the Son of God.
When the Sabbath was over, Mary Magdalene, Mary, the mother of James, and Salome bought spices so that they might go to anoint Jesus' body. Very early on the first day of the week, just after sunrise, they were on their way to the tomb, and they asked each other,
Who will roll the stone away from the entrance of the tomb?
But when they looked up, they saw that the stone, which was very large, had been rolled away. As they entered the tomb, they saw a young man dressed in a white robe sitting on the right side, and they were alarmed.
Don't be alarmed,
He said,
you are looking for Jesus the Nazarene who was crucified. He has risen. He is not here. See the place where they laid him.